Hey there! I recently visited my grandpa's place, and guess what? He's got this really cool 1961 Mark II Ambassador that he's been keeping up for all these years. It's India's very own old school car that's like a blast from the past. I was super pumped to take it out for a spin, and let me tell you, it was a memorable ride. First off, this car looks something straight out of an old movie. It's got that sleek 70s design that we all know and love with some good old chrome. It really felt like I was stepping into a time machine by just getting in. And what about the inside? Oh man, the seats are so comfy and there's loads of space. Ain't gonna trigger any claustrophobics out there. Those bench seats have got all the room you might possibly want. Now, when I turned the key and revved up the engine, it was music to my ears. Sure, it might not be appealing to some, but there was something charming about the way she roars into life. Driving it around, you can feel the smoothness of the ride. It was like floating on a cloud. The suspension was spot on, numbing every bump and giving an easy ride. I never wanted to stop. And let's talk about the engine. It's not as fancy and high-tech like the things you see nowadays, but she's tough and reliable. No wonder she's running today. She was built to last. It's like driving a piece of history. While parking it back into my grandpa's garage, I couldn't help but appreciate why people loved these machines so much back then. The 1961 Ambassador might not have had all the features that we expect in today's rides, but it's got that timeless charm that makes every drive an adventure. It's more than just a car, it's a journey back in time. And man, that's something special.